I've had some sinus issues now really for several years, and it impacted my work and really my personal life. So the activities I had problems with were running, exercising. Certainly sleeping got very difficult as well because I just couldn't get air in through my nose.
He had some of the most extensive sinus disease that I've seen.
I'd heard some really good things about Dr. Falcone.
There's significant disease here marked by the gray color.
After we got the results of the CT scan, that's when he could tell that I was a very, very severe case as far as having polyps in my nose.
He had had a surgery in the past. He had been on all the common, typical medicines we use to treat this disease, and he was still having symptoms. And so surgery was an option for him. The most specific technology we use for cases like John's is something called image-guided surgery. When we're operating inside the nose, not only can I see his real surgical, real-time footage, but on an adjacent screen, I'm able to see where I am in the nose and where it correlates to his anatomy on the CT scan, which in John's case was instrumental to the success of the surgery because he had difficult anatomy. For patients who have had previous surgery and who have nasal polyps where their normal anatomy might be obscured, this allows us to safely perform the surgery we need to with this new equipment and technology. One thing I do at the end of most sinus surgeries is implant a dissolvable stent inside the nose. Not only does a stent open the sinuses and help the healing process, but it also delivers that much needed steroid directly to the sinus tissue. I found that using this implant in a lot of my patients after sinus surgery, it's really decreased the amount of operative procedures, scar tissue, and it's allowed them to heal very well after surgery.
I'm breathing a lot better and just feeling, really feeling 100% better overall. I'm really not having any problems with my sleep at this point, but I am able to exercise a lot more easier now. I'd highly recommend Dr. Falcone and his staff. It's been great coming here. It really has made a big difference in my sinuses, and I've been really happy with it.